Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add TikTok link on your Facebook account. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. So let's open the TikTok app and here you can see the profile icon. Now here you can see my username. Just tap here on your username and your username will be copied. Now back on the Facebook account, tap on edit profile, scroll a little down and here you can see links. Now tap on links and here you can see add social link. Select the platform and here I can select TikTok and here I paste my username and now I can also do private my username or I can do public whatever I want to. So if I want to remove that, I can simply just click here and my account will be removed. So this is how you can easily add your TikTok account on your Facebook. So hope you guys like my video and please guys consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.